Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about trigonometric ratios of angle twice x in terms of angle x. This is my lecture number 26 for class 11. That is at first sin 2x. Trigonometric angle twice x, therefore sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. We can also write it as 2 sin square 2 tan square x plus 1 plus tan square x divided cos 2x, that is cos square x minus sin square x, or we can write it is also 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x, that is 2 tan x 1 minus tan square x. Now we have proved it at first sin 2x. Proof 1. We know in the last class I have discussed, we know sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin. If we replace y by x, replacing y by x, here we get x plus x. So we replace y to x. In place of y, we write x here. Sin x, this is cos y, we write cos x. This is cos x, and this is sin x. This is sin 2x, sin x cos x. This is also sin x cos x. Therefore 2 sin x cos x. From here we can also prove this. Now this is proved. Again we can prove it from this also. 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x plus sin square x, since cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So we can write it easily. 2 sin x cos divided by cos divided by 1. 1 means cos square x plus sin square. Now we divide it with cos square x, numerator and denominator. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. 2 sin x cos x by cos square x. This is cos square x cos square x, it is sin square x cos square x. Here we can write dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. Now cos square x cos x, this is remain only cos x will remain. Therefore 2 sin x by cos x, this is tan x, this is 1, and this is sin square by cos square, this is tan square x. We can write sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, or we can also write it as 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now we prove number 2, that is cos twice x. This is answer. We know cos x plus y is equal to, we know cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Replacing y by x. This is cos x plus x. This is cos x. This is also cos x. This is sin x. We replace y as x. Therefore, we can write it as cos square x minus sin square x. This is the cos square x. From this also we can prove it. Here 2 cos square x minus 1. So we have to convert sin square x to cos square x. Cos square x. This is the proof number proof. This is also one proof. We now convert sin square x. This is 1 minus cos square x. This is cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. This is cos square x 2 cos square x minus 1. This is 2 cos square x minus 1. From here also we can prove 1 minus 2 sin square x. Therefore we can read, we have got already cos 2x. We have got already 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we have to convert cos square x to sin square x. There are 2 1 minus sin square x, that is minus 1. Therefore 2 minus 2 sin square x minus 1. From these 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Again cos 2x we have already got cos square x minus sin square x. That is, we can write it as cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x plus sin square x. Since cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, so we can write it as 1. Dividing both sides, dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. We have that's cos square x by cos square x, sin square x by cos square x. Cos square x divided by cos square x, sin square x divided by cos square x. Now this is 1 minus sin square by cos square. It is tan square x 1 plus tan square. So cos 2x means, we have discussed, cos 2x means cos square x minus sin square x, or we can write 2 cos square x minus 1, or we can write 1 minus 2, this is sin square x, or we can write 1 minus tan square x 1 plus tan square x. Now 10 twice x, proof number 3, this is 10 twice x. We have proof 3, we have 10x plus y is equal to, last class I have discussed is also 10x plus 10y 1 minus 10x 10. So replacing y by x, replacing y by x, then x plus x, that is 10x, that is also 10x, 1 minus 10x, that is 10x, 10x plus 10x, 10x plus 10x, that is 2 10x, 1 minus 10x into 10x, that is 10 square. This we can write 10 2x is equal to, we can write 2 10x. These are the proof of the trigonometric ratio of twice angle in terms of x angle. Now we shall discuss about trig angle. Now trigonometric ratio of angle x in terms of angle x by 2. First, sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. We can also write it as 2 tan x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2. Second, cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x, or we can write it as 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, or 1 minus tan square x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2. Third, 10x is equal to 2 tan x by 2, 1 minus tan square. Now we can easily prove it. 1, we have sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, n, or we can write it as 2 tan x, 1 plus tan square x. This is, if we replace 2x, if we consider 2x as x, then x will be converted to x by 2. Therefore, this is sin x, this is 2 sin x by 2. This is cos, this is also converted to x by 2. This is 2 tan x by 2, 1 minus tan square x by 2. Since there is angle twice x and half of the angle x, if there is x, half of the x is equal to x by 2. We can prove it easily. Second one is we have cos x, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. We can write it also as 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, or we can write it as 1 minus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x. In this way, if we replace twice x as x, then x will convert it to x by 2. So cos x is equal to cos square x by 2. This is x. Cos x sin square x. So this will be converted to x by 2. This is sin square. This is also to cos square x by 2 minus 1. In this way, 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 minus tan square x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2. Third one, that is tan x. We have tan twice x. We have got already tan twice x is equal to tan x, 2 tan x, 1 minus tan square x. Now this is, if we place this as x, then this x will be converted to x by 2. This x will also be converted to x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2. These are the identity, or we can we have to apply it to solve various problems. Next class I shall discuss 2 more relations. So for today I have stopped it.